Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden storage ideas. New designs, new ideas, stylish designs and ideas you can see. Most beautiful, most trendy. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Wooden storage ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of wooden storage ideas. You can see different designs, different ideas. Most beautiful, most useful designs and ideas. Very attractive, beautiful and trendy wooden storage ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful storage ideas online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Save your objects in different wooden storage. Latest uploading ideas, top 50 designs and ideas you can see. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my wooden collection. Most beautiful, most trendy wooden storage ideas. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wood. Stylish wooden ideas you can see in this my channel. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video? How was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden storage ideas? Beautiful and trendy wooden storage ideas you can see. Mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing ideas, top 50 designer ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.